Hey Bobby, you always seem so confident about money. Can you teach me your secrets?
Ah, young grasshopper, sit down. I'm about to teach you how to stay broke forever. It's an art form.
Wait, you want to be broke?
Want? I've mastered it. 15 years of perfecting poverty. Let me share my wisdom.
Rule number 1. When you see something you want, buy it immediately. But what if I can't afford it? That's what credit cards are for. It's basically free money that future you has to deal with, and future you, not your problem. That sounds dangerous? Dangerous? I call it living. I bought these $500 sneakers last month. I couldn't pay rent, but my feet looked amazing in the streets. Should I make a budget to track my spending? Don't say that word. Budget is a curse word in my house. But don't rich people use budgets? Rich people are boring. You know what's fun? Checking your bank account and being surprised every time. It's like a horror movie you star in daily. That sounds stressful. Stress builds character. I have so much character now. Here's a secret. Every time you get a raise, upgrade everything. Everything? Got a $200 raise, new car. $500 bonus, new apartment. The key is to always spend more than you make. It's called aspirational living. But won't you always be in debt? Exactly. Debt means you're ambitious. No debt means no dreams. I have $50,000 in debt, which means I have $50,000 worth of dreams. What about investing for the future? The future? Why would I give money to future Bobby? What has he ever done for me? But compound interest could make you rich over time. Time? I don't have time to wait. You know what's better than investing $500? Buying a new gaming console. Instant happiness versus maybe money in 30 years. Easy choice. But you'll be old one day. Old Bobby's problem. Current Bobby wants tacos and a new TV. Chris, look, 70% off. I'm basically making money by buying this. But you don't need a boat anchor. You don't have a boat. It's 70% off. If I don't buy it, I'm losing money. That's just math.
That's not how math works.
I saved $300 today by spending $500. I'm a financial genius. Bobby, you spent money you don't have on things you don't need, but at a discount. Do you have an emergency fund? Emergency fund? You mean my credit card limit? Yes, $10,000 of emergency fund at 24% interest. But what if your car breaks down? Then I'll deal with it then. Worrying about problems that haven't happened yet is just anxiety. I prefer to panic when the emergency actually happens. More exciting that way. That's terrifying. It's called living on the edge. Every day is an adventure when you're one car repair away from financial ruin. See this influencer? He has a Lamborghini. I need a Lamborghini. Can you afford a Lamborghini? Of course not, but I can afford the payments on a car that looks like success. That's what matters, looking rich while being broke. But you'd be stressed every month. That's the lifestyle tax. You want people to think you're rich? You have to pay for it with your mental health and actual money. Worth it for the Instagram likes. Bobby, how long have you been living like this? 15 years. I make good money, Chris, really good. But at the end of every month, I have nothing. Sometimes less than nothing. What happened to all of it? It went to looking successful instead of being successful. I have the sneakers, the watch, the car, and $80,000 in debt. I can't sleep at night. Bobby, don't be like me, Chris. Everything I taught you, do the opposite. That's the real lesson. So what's the real secret to building wealth? Spend less than you earn, save the difference, invest it wisely, wait patiently. It's boring, but it works.
That's it?
That's it. No secrets, no tricks, just discipline and time. The flashy stuff, it keeps you poor. The boring stuff, it makes you rich. What about you now? I'm starting over. Sold the fancy car, cut the subscriptions, making a budget. It's hard, but for the first time in 15 years, I have hope. You know what real wealth is?
What?
Not worrying about money. Not checking if your card will decline. Sleeping peacefully. That's wealth. Not the car, not the shoes. Deep. I know. Took me 15 years and $80,000 in debt to learn it. You're learning it for free in 3 minutes.
Rich is what you spend. Wealth is what you save. Don't look rich, be rich. Start today. Your future self is counting on you.